Number 24, we want to find the tan of A. We know the tangent of A based on SOHCAHTOA is opposite over adjacent. So if I could find the opposite and the adjacent here, I could just plug them into this ratio and I'm good. Now, I'll show you how to do that in a minute, but there's way faster ways to solve this particular question. One way is to recognize, look, this is a right angle, this is 30. So that leaves 60 degrees here. And if I know the tan of 60, either just because you've memorized it or you know the unit circle, you would know the tan of 60 is square root of 3. And so the answer is C. If you didn't know that, though, you also could just put it into your calculator, right? We can just do the tangent of 60. We get this, and if I put the square root of 3 in just to match it, it matches, right? So that's choice C. So, okay, fine. Can we do this theoretically without using a calculator? Or what if we didn't remember the tan of 60? Like, what's another way to do this? And the only reason why I want to go through this is not because it's actually that helpful on a question like this, but it could be helpful on other ones. So again, part of the reason why we learn alternative approaches is not necessarily because we'd use them on something like this, but because it helps us in other situations. Once we filled in these angles, we recognize, oh, this is a 30, 60, 90. So you can look in the reference area of the test. They'll tell you that the side across from the 90 is 2x. The side across from the 30 is x, and the side across from the 60 is x rat 3. So doing this, we can solve for x, right? You just divide both sides of this by 2. We get x is 27, which means this is 27 square root of 3. And now, as per our first thought, we can find the opposite over the adjacent. It's just 27 square root of 3 over 27. 27's cancel, and we're left with square root of 3. So again, calculator is totally fine here, but recognizing 30, 60, 90s and being able to then find the missing sides is quite a valuable skill, especially on harder geometry questions involving triangles and especially equilateral triangles. So just make sure you have that in your back pocket. In this case, though, the answer is C.